Well, it's been a little rain this morning, but we're fueling up the combine in the hopes that we can get some corn shelled today. Got to get everything switched back over on the combine, change some belts, some cab settings, nothing too intense. Dad's hauling the last of the beans off this morning. I gotta go get the grain cart and move it home soon, but we're hoping to get something done today. Let's get after it. Now the fun part. Got her back to the shop, got all my doors opened up. We got the leaf blower out. We're gonna clean this thing off and get her ready to switch back over to corn. Let's make a mess. Well, we got switched back over to corn. Spent the morning changing the combine over and getting it ready. Now we're opening up the field, doing some end-rows. Alright, got turned around down there and we're headed back the other way. This corn's looking good. 305, 307, 301, 310, 313. Woo! That's what we like to see. Moisture's running at about 17.5%. Not bad at all. We like it. We like it. I am starting to get grain in my windows up there, about 80% full, so we're gonna go dump on the truck and keep on rolling. Well, this isn't a good sign. Hoods are up. She's throwing a code. Engine fan speed very high. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't really know what's wrong. There's a fan, belt's intact, pulleys are there. That's as far as I can go. Mechanic's on the way. All right, well, we're back in action. Don't really know what was wrong. Mechanic came down and looked at it. The belt was fine. Pulley seemed okay, so we unplugged the sensor and ran the engine up and down, and that tightened the pulley back up, and it hasn't malfunctioned again. So I'm gonna keep going until it does, and then we'll probably have to order a sensor, I'm guessing. Hopefully not a whole belt and pulley system. Hate to quit, this corn's really good. We're trying to make some good progress here. Got the 8-row chopping head on. It's doing a really good job. We bought that this year, so that's all new to us. We usually shredded our stocks with a HX15 every fall, but this is hopefully eliminating that pass in the tractor. You can kind of see out there, it does a really good job of mowing up everything. All right, 86% full. We better go dump. Me and that good now. Come on. One thing about running an 8-row head without a grain cart driver, a lot of this. Just me and Dad working today. He's driving the truck, I'm driving the combine. Anybody looking for a job? Getting a really good sample today. I might be able to show you. Really clean in there. We got this combine pretty dialed in. Not getting hardly any cobs or any other kind of residue in there. I think the elevator will be happy with that. Hopefully we won't be getting docked. Alright guys, this is going to be our last dump of the night. Elevator's closing and we ain't going to get this one to the elevator. We'll load the truck and he'll take this one off in the morning. Got about 3,000 bushel out of this field. 3 truckloads, not bad. Good start. Probably finish this one up tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching. If you would, like and subscribe, I'd love it. And we will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.